everybody, I'm Lego Shepherd and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3 minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make custom teeny little birdies. I will show you how to make these and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with the little white bird that I showed you. So we're going to be using a side attachment brick, but with attachments all around on every single side, because we're going to be needing that for our birdie. We're gonna start off with the feathers. So these, undoubtedly, we're going to be using bird feather pieces. These ones in white. But if you have any other colors, feel free to use them, since you can make a multicolored bird. These ones just stick on two sides. We can add the feathery plumage at the chest, so a 1x1 tile. Something that's come to me is that you might want to make it red, so you can make a robin. That's an idea. So a single cheese slope for the tail, stuck upside down, so it's kind of pointing upwards. We're going to add a single round stud for the neck, a orange bird feather piece for the beak. Don't worry if you don't have that, that's just my speculation. And a cheese slope on top of the kind of feathery crown of it, and a single round stud. I'm using yellow, and it's going to be with a hole in it so I can attach it to a pole. Just stick it upside down on this bird, and there we go. There's our one bird. It could be a seagull, it could be a chicken, or it could be any bird whatsoever. So now we're going to make another bird. We're going to be using a different side attachment brick this time, one with only 2 attachments and on opposite sides, and we're going to make the feathers of it. So we're going to be using these carbon slopes instead, because you always show different variant. And you don't need a tail for this one because it's covered by the wings. Now we're going to add the beak. I'm going to be using a dark green one because, well, first of all, I don't have any orange, and second of all, I want to show you how to do it differently. And we're going to get a single round stud like this, just to top it off. And for the legs, I'm not going to be using a stud. I'm going to be using this grabber attached to a plate, so it could be kind of like, you know, hanging on a branch, for instance. Stick it underneath, and we'll bring back our other birdie, and there we've done it. So there we have it. Our birdies are complete, and there are many different styles of birdies that you can do out there in lots of different colors. I'm just showing you 2, and what's more is that, well, I didn't make a tree for our birdies, so why don't you try making a tree for your birdies? Try to make poles for this grabber, and also somewhere for it to sit. But anyway, that's the end of our video today. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building!